this is gonna be our flower. Let me measure this one. This one is this is an 18-inch by 18-inch. So this is a big napkin, which is really nice to help you with the formation of your flower or whatever you're going to do. Right side is up on this. And we're gonna bring it in, corners in. And we're gonna do the same again. Bring the corners in. Do our best to take it and turn it over. So we've got a square turned over. Now we're gonna do the same thing, bring our corners in. All right, now on our corners, up under our corners, we can reach up under there and find the end and pull it out. Try to hold your centers together as you do that. So you're gonna reach, there we go. You're gonna reach up under here and pull this out. So pull it out, and on the other side, pull it out and pull it out. There's your flower. You can pull it really tight if you want to, or you can leave it just soft as these ends are. Now this was done on with the right side up, and it's sort of taken the sheen side is not showing on this one. So whatever side you have up is a side that will not show. So if you have a printed napkin, you want the print to be down. And this is our flower. This is going to be a pinwheel design. I'm going to measure my napkin. It's 12 by 12. And I imagine you could probably do it with different sizes, like an 18 by 18 as well. But we're going to do a 12 by 12. Then take the right side, meaning the pattern side, and put it down towards our table or our counter, whichever thing you're using. We're going to fold our corners in. And these corners into the center. There you go. And try to get them to lay down as much as you can. You can press your napkin out if you want to, but I just sort of run my hand across them when I make a design, and they pretty much hold their shape. So after we folded every corner into the center, we're going to take our side, right side or left side, fold it in. Same thing, fold it into the center, like so. So now we have a rectangle with a center fold, with the two ends folded into the center, just like so. Take our bottom half, bring it up to the center, and our bottom half here, and bring it up to the center. Now we have a little square. Oops, because I need to fold it and press it out a little bit. Fold it in. There we go. Now we have a square. So in this square, on the inside here, we're going to take our corners. You see our corners in there in the inside? We'll take our corners and pull them out so they make little points, just like that. Same thing on the other side. We're going to pull the corners out. There we go. So that we have 2 points out here on the edge. What we're going to do is take one side and fold it up Take the left side and fold it up. And do the opposite. Take one on the right side and fold it down. And there is our pinwheel. This is a fun design. I found a paper napkin that is a square, and I wanted to see if this would be perfect to do a pinwheel. So I'm going to take the print side and go down with it. Face down. Bring my corners in. So the perfect square works better with these two shapes, the flower and the pinwheel. Okay, that's pretty neat. Look at that, how that folded together. Okay, so we do our last fold in. And we take our corners out of each side. Then we take one corner on each side and fold it in the opposite direction of the other corner. And here is our finished pinwheel with a pattern to it. Isn't that kind of neat, the way that pattern came out? Remember, when you're doing with the pattern, you want to make sure that the pattern side is down so that you can see your design when you're completed. If you're interested in any other projects that I might do, hit the bell to get notifications and subscribe to the channel. When leaving a comment, please be respectful. Thank you so much for everything and enjoy your day.